You have friends over and someone asks for your Wi-Fi password. No big deal, right? You hand it over without a second thought. But sharing your main Wi-Fi password is like giving someone the key to your digital home. Your Wi-Fi connects everything: laptops, phones, smart TVs, security cameras. When you share that password, you're letting their devices into your private digital space. Even if you trust your friends, you can't always trust their devices. What if their phone has malware? That malware could scan your network for vulnerabilities. It might find your computer, your smart speaker, or your family photos. The risk isn't your friend. It's what their device might be carrying. Devices pick up threats from public Wi-Fi, sketchy apps, or bad links all the time. When a compromised device joins your network, it's like letting in a contagious digital cold. We need a way to be good hosts without risking our digital security. That's where a guest network comes in. It lets you share internet access without sharing access to your digital life. Let's see how it works. Your main Wi-Fi isn't just for your laptop and phone, it's the backbone for your smart TV, speakers, thermostat, lights, and more. All these devices can see and talk to each other for convenience, but that's also a risk. If a compromised device joins your network, it could access your files, cameras, or even your tax documents. You're trusting that every guest's device is clean and secure. Sometimes, even innocent apps can cause chaos by scanning your network or creating conflicts. Isolating guests on a separate network protects your core devices from both intentional attacks and accidental mishaps. It's not just about hackers. It's about keeping your digital life organized and safe. A guest network is your first line of defense. Protect your privacy, your data, and your peace of mind. Don't gamble with your digital crown jewels. Think of a guest network as a separate entrance to your digital home. Your main network is your private space. The guest network is a comfy lounge for visitors. Guests get internet access but can't see your personal devices or files. Malware on a guest's device? It's stuck in the guest network, unable to spread. You control the guest network's name and password. Make it simple, change it often. After a party, update the password so old guests can't reconnect. Some routers let you limit guest bandwidth so your work call isn't slowed by someone's video stream. It's a win-win. You stay secure, guests stay happy. Setting up a guest network is one of the smartest moves you can make. It's easy, effective, and gives you total control. Your digital home deserves this level of protection. Let's set it up. Ready to set up your guest network? It's easier than you think. Open a web browser on a device connected to your Wi-Fi. Type your router's IP address, usually 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1 into the address bar. Log in with your router's admin username and password, often found on a sticker. If you haven't changed the default admin password, do it now for extra security. Find the guest network or guest Wi-Fi option in your router's settings. Enable it. Name your guest network something clear like your name_guest. Set a password, make it strong but easy to share. Choose WPA2 or WPA3 security. Save your changes. Your router may restart and your guest network will be live. Share the new network name and password with your guests. Change the password regularly for extra safety. That's it, your digital VIP lounge is open. No tech degree required. You're now in control of who gets access to your digital home. Let's make it even safer. Want to lock things down even more? Here are some pro tips. Enable AP isolation or client isolation. This keeps guest devices from seeing each other. Double-check that guests can't access your main network or local resources. Most routers do this by default, but always confirm. Use scheduling to turn the guest network on only when you need it, like weekends or parties. No guests? Turn it off for extra security. Limit the number of devices that can connect at once. This stops your password from spreading to the whole neighborhood. Set bandwidth limits so guests don't slow down your main connection. These tweaks give you total control and peace of mind. Your network, your rules, small changes, big security boost. Stay one step ahead. Let's see how to use your guest network in real life. When should you use your guest network? Anytime someone visits. Friends, family, babysitters, contractors. Print out the guest network info and leave it somewhere handy. It's polite and keeps your main network private. Connect smart home gadgets, like plugs, bulbs, or thermostats, to the guest network too. Many IoT devices have weak security. Isolating them protects your main devices. Kids, friends coming over? Have them use the guest network. Some routers even let you filter content for younger visitors. If a device only needs internet, not access to your files, put it on the guest network. This is called network segmentation, and it's a cybersecurity best practice. Simple, smart, and effective. Smart devices are everywhere. Fridges, cameras, speakers, even light bulbs. Most aren't built with strong security, making them easy targets for hackers. Real-world breaches have happened through things like smart TVs and fish tank thermometers. By putting these devices on your guest network, you isolate them from your sensitive data. If a hacker gets in, they're stuck in the guest zone, not your main network. This is called network segmentation, and it's a powerful security move. Take inventory. Move anything that doesn't need access to your files onto the guest network. One-time setup, ongoing protection. Your main devices stay safe, your smart gadgets stay connected. That's smart security for modern life. Protecting your digital home is as important as locking your front door. Setting up a guest network puts you in control of your privacy and security. Don't let tech jargon intimidate you. If you can log in and check a box, you can do this. These small steps protect your data, your memories, and your peace of mind. Take 15 minutes this weekend and set up your guest network. You'll feel more secure, and you'll be a tech-savvy host. Share this knowledge with friends and family. The more people who secure their networks, the safer we all are. Security is a team effort. Have you set up a guest network? Share your tips and stories in the comments. Let's help each other build safer digital homes. In 2025, smart Wi-Fi isn't just for techies. It's for everyone. Your network, your data, your rules. You've got this.